The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to be a strong contender in the smartphone market, despite thought competition from the iPhone 15 Pro series and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Based on what we know so far, Samsung's flagship device are shaping up to another high-quality offering. Not only that, but it may be released sooner than expected with the impressive specifications that are typically of Samsung release date. In the past, Samsung has unveiled its flagship device in the close proximity each year. For example, the Samsung Galaxy S22 series was unveiled on February 25, 2022, and the Galaxy S23 was unveiled on February 1, 2023. It is expected to the Galaxy S24 will follow a similar pattern and be unveiled in the first quarter of 2024 at one of the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked events. Traditional Samsung events take place in February with the pre-order available on the same day and pre-order ready for purchase approximately 2 weeks later. However, recent reports suggest that Samsung is considering an yearly showcase in response to underwhelming sales of its Z series foldable and the launch of Pixel 8 and iPhone 15. According to the reliable tech tipster Rins on Twitter, we can accept Samsung to take a stage of early January. Another trusted leaker IC also predicted that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will hit store shelves around January 18, 2024. While the exact date is uncertain, it is likely that Samsung's next phone will be released between the 10th and 20th February. The availability in store between the 1st and 5th February 2024. Stay tuned for the latest news and update of the upcoming Samsung phone. Don't forget to activate the notification bell to ensure you receive update when I upload a new content.